Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I do want to show you how you can align from the inside bags that have these irregular forms. It is, as you know, there are round bags and square bags or rectangular bags, the shape of them, and those are easy to line comparing with some other ones that have this kind of strange shapes. In my case is a bag that I have to put it together. I have to sew these triangles over here, these granny squares over here, and also in the other side. And once it is finished, it has a very irregular shape. So it's gonna be like this. So in this case, what I would do, I would first assemble the small pieces like I did in this case, all the granny squares, but then the last assembling, the last sewing of the sides, I wouldn't do that. What I'm gonna do instead, it is lining first and then assembling the bag. I hope this makes sense. So what I'm gonna do is as follows. First, I am going to place down the material, the fabric that I have for the lining. You can get a lining of your choice. I'm just getting this one because I have a lot of this fabric. It is cotton, but you can use other materials as well. Then next I'm going to place the big panel of my bag over here, and I am going to trace the shape and then cut it. I'm not going to leave any corner over here. I'm not going to leave like a centimeter or so, because then I can just leave it fixed here. Because I am going, this is a fabric that is kind of, it's open up, so it's kind of elastic a little bit, so it gives you the space to sew with it. But if your fabric is really crunchy and really it doesn't have any stretch in it, then I would suggest you to leave like a centimeter or so. But in my case, I don't need to, so I am going to trace it now. Okay, so once all is traced, I'm gonna take it out and then I am going to cut here where I have the traces. Okay, so here we are. Once all the panel is cut, what I'm gonna do next, I am going to line it over the top of the bag. So the thing that I need to line is the back side. Of course, is the back side. Then I'm going to place over it. So the back side with the back side, okay? So we need the right side from the outside. I hope this makes sense. It rhymes. So yeah, let's just first place the two together. And I think this should be on that side, because they are not 100%. Yeah, I think this one is on the other side. Let me try. It fits better like this, I think. Now we are going to need the pins, because we have to pin it all around and then it will not move. Okay, so here we are, and once it's all pinned, put as many pins as you need in all the corners, because it would be more safe like this. Things are not going to move around. It's better to put one more pin and be safe rather than to not put 1 or 2 pins, save a little bit time on this process, and then the things move around. So that is what I would do. So now the next thing that I'm going to take, I'm going to use the same thread, the same color thread, and of course with a sewing needle, and I am just going to sew it all around. Nothing fancy or anything. What I would do, I would turn the side of the fabric, I will turn it inside in a little bit, then I would sew. So let me show you how I would do this in more details. Yeah, so as I told you, I wouldn't do anything crazy, but I will take the corner here and I will turn it inside, from the inside a little bit, because it allows me to have some fabric on the inside, like this. Yeah, and I would leave a little bit here of the bag because it's okay. And I am just going to sew very simple sewing, nothing fancy, just like this. Just I'm not going to put it on the other side, like I don't want to show this on the other side. So So here at the corner I will turn again, like this, and I will just continue on this side. So I'm just going to continue sewing all around, and yeah, let's finish the sewing of the inside lining. Okay, you guys, so here it is. I finished the sewing, and this is how I line bags that have this strange panels. And now I will go on and assemble this bag, which you are going to see the tutorial in the coming days. Thank you for watching this short tutorial until the end. I hope it was helpful for you and help you in your own crochet projects, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!